Hey PlayStation fans! 6 games are bouncing from PS Plus Extra and Premium in July 2025, and you don't want to miss these hits. Time's ticking to play them. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into what's leaving and why you need to jump in now. Sony just dropped the news. 6 games are exiting the PS Plus Extra and Premium catalogs on July 15, 2025. While it's not as brutal as May's 22-game purge, heavy hitters like Dying Light 2 and Crisis Core are on the chopping block. Want to know what's at stake? Keep watching. Here's the lineup leaving PS Plus. Dying Light 2, Stay Human, Crisis Core, Final Fantasy VII Reunion, Remnant 2, Mount and Blade 2, Bannerlord, Job Simulator, and Vampire the Masquerade Swan Song. Dying Light 2's parkour-fueled zombie slaying and early sales success make it a standout, while Crisis Core is a must-play for JRPG fans. Remnant 2 and Job Simulator bring co-op action and VR fun. Something for everyone. These games offer serious variety, from Dying Light 2's open-world chaos to Crisis Core's emotional Final Fantasy story. You've got about 70 hours of gameplay to tackle all 6, so check the PS Store's Last Chance to Play section to dive in before July 15th. Don't sleep on these. Once they're gone, you'll need to buy them outright. Which one's on your playlist? While these games are leaving, Sony's keeping the hype alive with new additions. Twisted Metal 3 and 4 are joining the Classics catalog in July, and Resident Evil 2 and 3 are slated for later this summer. PS Plus is staying stacked, but you've got to act fast to enjoy these 6 before they vanish. Ready to game? This rotation reminds us, PS Plus is a revolving door of awesome games. Losing hits like Dying Light 2 and Crisis Core stings, but it's a chance to try genres you might have skipped. With only a few weeks left, now's the time to jump in. Which game are you racing to finish first? That's the scoop on the 6 games leaving PS Plus in July 2025. Are you grinding Dying Light 2's parkour or diving into Crisis Core story? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.